Help!
You need a beer because if the sun is not hot enough, the news is gonna.
Send help.
I'd throw myself overboard.
Shitty. Shitty. Titty. Celebration.
Better batteries.
Do fucking great sex with batteries. Just batteries make me hot.
I need power.
Energy hall.
Right now, so just
Pay attention.
We are Eddie and Cara.
We sold everything we owned to buy a boat and travel the Caribbean. Paradise found.
Rock, rock, rock.
I swear, I'd throw myself overboard. Look at this. This doesn't usually happen. I mean, I'm on a boat, but this roll is terrible.
Needs to stop.
Stop! Eventually, the roll stopped. Yeah, 2 days later. God, trying to sleep through this is pretty challenging. But those Caribbean sunsets, wow, they make it all worthwhile.
Grenada is one of the best places to get boat work done and to get things repaired. And sometimes we need it.
We had batteries put in to music just 2 years ago, and we have taken very good care of them. But we are always struggling with not having enough power. It turns out that the technician that installed them in Martinique connected them in such a way as we were only really using one of the 2 batteries. Maybe perhaps caused by a translation issue. So, I am just very tired of always trying to have enough battery power. After all, we have plenty of solar coming in. Or do we? Ooh, what a great day today! We're getting a Vitron controller, so I will know what's happening with the batteries. We're getting our batteries hooked up in the right way because they weren't before, and hopefully we'll be able to get an idea how much our solar pulling in and how much the batteries are working, how much they're not working, whether they need to be replaced. All good things you need to have on a boat.
Day for celebrating! Yes, I wanted a VidCon controller so that I could see what was happening with the batteries for a long time. It feels like Christmas that I finally got one installed today. We have our motor running right now because now that we have a reading, we're trying to get our house batteries really charged up. So excited. We had 3 batteries. They were supposed to be hooked up in series, but the positive and the negative were both coming out of the same battery, which means it never charged the last couple of batteries. We got our panel that's on the wall to actually give us an accurate reading, and a Vitron controller so I can see what the solar that's coming in. And it is a cause for celebration. Batteries make me hot. And not the D-cell kind either. The big 4D AGM. I'm sure I'd get even hotter on lithium, but can't afford them right now. Anyway, so I'm happy with what I got. We're gonna celebrate with the last bottle of champagne that I got from the French Islands. A very good day for celebrating. Yes! I'm so excited! Don't hit me in the face now.
Just pay attention.
You should pay attention.
Here.
Here.
I opened it. Here.
Here.
Put this in your mouth.
Put this in your mouth. when you're funny. And we even have our little glasses that say music. You can't see them, but they're inscribed with the word music. And the bubbles make it look good. So, let's make the first toast.
So better batteries.
Better batteries. That champagne good. I make the next toast. I make the next toast. To fucking great sex with batteries. Wait, I'm just fucking great sex. Doesn't have to be with batteries. I'll give you the update on what it's looking like tomorrow, but I'm hoping it's going to be good, good, good. So excited. This is Dwayne. He installed a Victron controller so we can see what's going on, and now he's checking out our battery power to see if we need new batteries, and he is the man.
You need a beer because if the sun is not hot enough, the news is gonna.
So what's the word, Dwayne?
I've tested one battery so far. It says replace battery.
No.
This is the face of very unhappy. So, the result today from battery guy was that we have dead batteries. So we need 2 4Ds, which run about $1,000 a piece. So there's that. But we were prepared to have that, improve our boat, right? Shitty. Shitty titties. Look at shitty titties. Shitty titties.
Going outside.
Help! Send money, please. Send help. Send smoke signal. We need help. Badly. I'm so excited about batteries. Batteries! Are you excited about batteries? Batteries?
Not as excited as you are.
Because I need power.
Energy hog.
Now that's what you call sexy. That's cool. Where does it go? I know, but why? I guess they just built it through the...
Fort George is up.
Walking through the streets of St. George's, you hear the steel pan music everywhere. Even children are practicing for the upcoming carnival celebration. Starting them early. Pre-carnival celebration. Grenada Carnival amps up for weeks, and the energy is infectious. You just can't help but join the party.
Tell them we don't care. There we go. Hey, them too bad mind anyway. And if they tell us to behave, you better tell them we don't care. We don't care. We're gonna party tonight. We're gonna party tonight. Watch how much we gonna play.
On our next episode,
It's Carnival in Grenada time.
Thanks for watching from the Krabby Captain and the Sunny Sailor. We appreciate you so much. And we also appreciate our Patreon supporters. Uncensored videos and behind the scenes stuff is only for our Patreon members. So click the link right here and join Patreon today. We love our Patreon supporters. Join now. Hit it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it. Our videos are also available on Vimeo On Demand. Vimeo On Demand has all of our seasons, all of our episodes, and even has uncensored. Vimeo On Demand, Krabby and Sunny. Get yours today. Thanks for watching from the Krabby Captain and the Sunny Sailor. If you could, please comment, like, subscribe, and follow, both on this platform and on our website. We appreciate you watching and checking out our episodes as we sail the Caribbean and travel the world. You'll see, it's coming up. Thanks for watching from the Krabby Captain and the Sunny Sailor.